Basta, magpunta ka doon sa fitness center, doon sa tapat ng Mary's Grocery, ha? Basta i-check mo lang, tingnan mo lang kung ano bang meron doon na ipinagkaganon ni Bulin at ni Sikat. Sige
Mr.
na.
White, sayang lang yung oras. Isipin mo, papupuntahin mo ako ron. Tapos wala naman ako makikita. Ano pa yung gagawin ko? Tapos babalik uli ako rito. Pagbalik ko rito,
Yan, ha? Pangsama lamig mo lang yan. Tsaka banana ko.
Mr. White naman, alam mo, wala pa ako ron. Imaginein mo, nandun na ako, ha? Handa nila, ha?
Alright, let's go, let's go. Very good, love. You're doing very good, much better.
Really?
Alright,
Oh.
very good.
Oh, come on. You teach me pa more.
Alright, relax. Alright, what I'm going to teach you now is a little bit more intense. So I'd just like to get your hands down here. Place them just under the hips. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to place my hands here, activate the lower core. Really feel the lower abs working here. Alright, let's just go one more. Now we're going to go down, we're going to hold it, and down. Alright, how does that feel?
It's good, but it's difficult.
It's supposed to be moving up, but it's good. It's going to really make them stronger, okay?
Mael! Mael! Ano ba? May problema ka ba?
Sikat, relax ka lang. Parang ganyan ka lang. Nakita niyo yung nakita natin. Kuya Mel, ano, di ba? Nakita mo na yung nakita namin? Ay, ano, Sikat? Sigurado na, yung ganyan-ganyan din ako kanina.
At eto ka, sasabihin ba sa iba ni Mael yung nakita niya?
Sigurado, mas malakas na sa atin nun eh. Tignan mo, Patrick ka.
Sige.
Business ang huli.
Uy, Mael. Mael, bakit ba ayaw mong magsalita? Uy!